Saturday today the 13th, 12th? Don't know. Saturday, 2 weeks before
13th.
sick week. We're just finishing some things up. Patrick's over here cutting the holes in the hood for the injection for the big block. And Dad's helping him. And then Mike's in there working on a bad brake light. We gotta have brake lights and turn signals. And for some reason our turn signal quit working back here on the passenger side. I believe that to be, we had a cage put in it. It's probably the fact that the cage is welded to the rocker panel on the inside. We're thinking that maybe that's what's happened. So 2 weeks to go and just working on some ancillary stuff. Good stuff. I got 10 snips. I thought you had for side cutters.
You took German in high school?
I failed in high school. I failed German. I got F.
I had a hard enough time with English. I was like, fuck foreign language. I can't even pass English.
Lefts, rights, and straights.
Quiz.
Snippy do's and snippy don'ts.
Want some lube sliding on that?
All the holes in the motor are covered up.
Yep.
That's their snipping motor.
Cut maker.
Actually,
I mean, that's what we call them too, wire cutters.
wire is cut, so it'd be touch idle.
Getting very technical. Somebody's gonna hurt their hand on that.
Yeah.
Probably should put something across
Probably
it.
be me and I'll bleed to death.
We should get that edging that we have at work, that black edging.
We can do that for sure.
Look
Like
pretty
a door
cool.
edge guard.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Nice.
Chippy chopped.
Chippy boost, you mean?
Shit.
Shit.
It's the hack from way back. I can't even tie Chip Booster's shoes.
G'd up from the feet up.
Word, dog.
Word.
To your mother.
Just a hack from way back.
It's plastic. I pull it out once in a while. Kind of like
I got
magic.
it at Target. It's real nice.
It's real
It's
nice.
on sale.
It's excellent.
I pull mine once in a while too.
Well, this looks like I attacked it with a fucking
Look like you
machete.
chewed it. Look like,
Looks like I attacked it with a machete.
yeah, it looks like you had
Scissor hands over there.
Yeah.
Lift it up.
Patrick Scissorhands. Oh, we are gonna cut somebody wide open with those little sharp guys.
Slice them and dice them.
It's good stuff there. Good thing Dad's driving the truck.
What do you think I would cut myself while we're sitting inside there?
Yeah. Don't you know that's how it goes, right?
Wait, it's
Somehow you'd be like, why am I bleeding? Oh, because you're 3 feet away from a sharp edge.
Right? Dude, those wheels look so badass.
You like those?
I love it.
yeah, I do too, man. They're
I
nice.
think
Yeah, I told him he has
I
to
don't,
be
but this one looks like it was painted once or
It's,
something.
it's something, yeah.
it so closely resembles the back wheels.
So
They look like they're the
these
same.
versus the Steelies. I'm part impartial to Steelies because it's that 60s vibe thing, but these are cool. That's why I bought them. Been sitting on these since September. They were down in Kentucky. and one of my customers picked them up for me, and then we did an install on their production floor, and he brought them in, and then my guys brought them home.
The fact that it's already got inclusion of tires now, I think.
Yeah, but those are the race tires. That big white letters on, when you're driving down the street, I'm not super keen on. I don't know if you can take them off. You know what I mean? If that paint comes off.
I don't know, dude. I think it looks kind of cool because it matches the bag.
But that
it just sets it off.
Yeah, but the street setup.
Right.
There's nothing on it.
Oh, so I mean, maybe this is our race set then. We just swap all 4 wheels and tires when we get to the track. Then we swap all 4 wheels and tires when we go to the street.
Yeah, I know these are brand spanking new. I don't know how old those ones are.
Yeah, maybe we just run these at the track because they're lighter.
They are so.
It take shit to change 2 tires.
They're so light.
Well, compared to the street ones, the street ones are heavy. Those Cal Cities are heavy.
They are heavy.
What up, man? Yeah.
Almost like you've done that kind of stuff before, Patrick.
Gotta ease into it. Don't
Ready.
cut too much.
Cut once, measure 17 times. No, it's the other way around, right? It's measure once, cut 15 times. Just start cutting.
Like I said, I'm gonna ask you like that. Change Patrick's name to Schneider.
Huh?
I changed Patrick's name to Schneider.
Schneider?
Cutter.
Oh, is that the name for a cutter? Cool. I'm gonna have to move, I think, this pin over here a little bit.
Loosen them both up.
Yeah.
Jiggle the wiggle.
Jiggle the wiggle.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine.
Put some black paint on the inside edges and all that stuff.
Black paint pen.
Yeah.
You want me to barrel sand, or do you just want to paint the edge and call it done?
No, I don't think it needs barrel. I don't know.
Thing will look different.
Right.
I cut it pretty good.
Right.
Doesn't look all hatcheted up, so.
Yeah.
All right, that block is bare, so if you need it like ASAP.
When hour. Where's it?
Here's how it ended up. I think it looks pretty good. We've got new stacks coming that are actually going to be, I think, about 4 or 5 inches taller, which will put it everything above the hood. I think it'll look right. Kind of looks like Daddy Warbucks' Falcon from I think '65. It's kind of got that vibe to it, so that turned out pretty good. The other issue is we found out it wasn't a wiring issue. It actually was the turn signal switch itself is no good. So we got one of those coming, and we'll have those changed out next week. So most of the work we've been doing now is making sure that the trailers are ready and figuring out what the packing list should be for each of the trailers so that we try and stay a little more organized this year. So exciting stuff. We'll see you later.